I got a tattoo on my torso to match my son's birthmark. I just wanted him to feel better about himself, and obviously he was feeling like he was different. I'm sure everybody's went through that or felt that way. So I thought, if this is a way to help him feel better about it, and that it's not a negative and it's not that big of a deal that he thinks it is, then go for it.
What happened?
What do you mean?
Tattoo for the same cue.
That's cool.
He's 8 years old. He's very outgoing. He's had a big birthmark since he was born, and maybe 6 months ago or so, I just noticed he was being a little more self-conscious about it, keeping his shirt on whenever he's in the pool and stuff like that. So I just had the idea to get the same birthmark as he had and get it tattooed on the same part of my body.
Why would you do that?
Let's see. Turn around, guys. Let's see.
I went in for probably 4 hours the first time, and I said, "Oh, is it done?" And he just kind of laughed and said, "No, that was just an outline today."
Is it gonna be like this forever?
Yeah. Like yours. You're matching. You like it?
How long? He kept asking how long you're gonna have it. I said, "Forever. It's a tattoo." So he was pretty excited about it, and then I like it. I think it looks cool, and but the main thing is that for me is that he likes it, and he it meant something to him, and obviously he feels more confident. Whether it's school or sports, you need to be comfortable in your own skin. So I just hope that it helps him.